Now let us see where we can get the deleted portion for examination in Telangana syllabus, in TS syllabus. Where can we find the deleted portion for examination? See, this is TS SCRT website, SCRT Telangana website. This is the URL scrt.telangana.gov.in. Open this website. When you go down, here you have announcements. List of announcements are there. You can see this announcement on 29th October. The link is written as activity or project based syllabus in all the subjects from class 1 to class 10 for the academic year 2020-21 regarding. You click on this, you will get the activity or project based syllabus. This syllabus is not meant for examination. In the middle bottom, you can see announcements. The announcement on 29th October, announcement posted on 29th October is activity or project based syllabus in all the subjects from class 1 to class 10 for the academic year 2020-21. Let us click on this and see. Here it is a PDF. Proposed units or concepts for activities or projects. These proposed units or concepts for activities and these units are not meant for examinations. These units are only meant for activities or projects. Here we have 10th class. 10th class mathematics is here. 229, 227 to 230. Here we have mathematics syllabus, 10th class mathematics syllabus. The name of the chapter, first one is real numbers. Under real numbers, there is no topic for activity or project based lessons. Under activity or project based lessons, there is no topic. That means no topic is removed for examination. Under chapter sets also, there is no topic removed for examination. There is no deleted portion for examination from sets. From chapter polynomials, we have division algorithm for polynomials. This division algorithm for polynomials is not meant for examination. In chapter 4, linear equations in two variables. Here, equations reducible to linear equations. This topic is not for examination. In fifth chapter, quadratic equations, these two topics are not for examinations. Situational problems based on equations reducible to quadratic equations. Situational problems based on equations reducible to quadratic equations. And second topic here is solution by completing the square. These two topics are not meant for examination. In chapter 6, progressions, these two chapters are not meant for examination. These two topics are not meant for examination. Applications in solving daily life problems based on sum to n terms. This is not meant for examination. And what is GP? Nth term GP of nth term of GP. What is GP? Nth term of GP. This topic is not meant for examination. In chapter 7, coordinate geometry, this topic, area of triangle and area of triangle using Heron's formula. This topic is not meant for examination. In chapter 8, similar triangles, here we have three topics deleted from examination syllabus. Area of similar triangles, converse of Pythagoras theorem, construction of similar triangles with improper and mixed fractions. These three topics are not meant for examination. In chapter 9, tangents and secants to circles, this topic, area of segment of a circle, minor and major segments. This area of segment of a circle topic is not meant for examination. In chapter 10, mensuration, conversion of solids from one shape to another. This topic is not meant for examination. In chapter number 11, trigonometry, these two topics are not meant for examination. Motivate the ratios defined at 0 degrees and 90 degrees. And second topic is trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. These two topics are not meant for examination. In chapter 12, applications of trigonometry, complementary problems are not to be given. Here in trigonometry, trigonometric ratios of complementary angles is not given for examination. So problems based on complementary angles is also removed from examination syllabus. 13th chapter, probability. From probability topic, from probability chapter, no topics are removed for examination. 14th chapter, statistics. Under statistics, mean by step deviation method. Mean by step deviation method is removed from examination syllabus. So here we have to do the problems based using, for finding mean, we have to follow direct method and assumed mean method only. Step deviation method is removed for examination. The second topic removed for examination is graph of Ogive curve more than type. Graph of Ogive curve more than type. More than type is removed from examination. We have to use Ogive curve of less than type only.